Hey y'all, it's your homegirl Mel. Today is Tuesday, April 15th. The last and final day to file your taxes if you have not. But your girl just left from getting her toes done. I'm your girl. So I can be out y'all way Easter weekend. I'm not trying to be in nobody's way. But I have another food that I need to try, and it's from McAlister's. So I'm on my way to McAlister's. They have this. I don't know if they already had it or if this is new. I thought it was new. I probably have to look it up again. But it's the red beans and rice. And then they also have a, check this out y'all, a pecan pie cheesecake. Say it with me. Pecan pie cheesecake. Now what y'all think that's on? What that's gonna taste like, right? So you know I gotta do it for the culture. I gotta do it for y'all. So I'm gonna go and get just a small order, nothing too fancy, nothing too grand, nothing too big, cause y'all trying to make me gain 200 pounds, and I know y'all like, y'all, girl, that's you. But I have to do it for the culture. We gotta know where we can get this great tasting food from. Okay, so stay tuned. It's not pecan pie, it's butter pecan cheesecake right there. I just got overly excited, but we about to order. We're up next. Hello. I want to, do y'all have the red beans and rice?
We used to, but not anymore.
Are you serious? I just saw it on like my app. Maybe it's certain locations.
Yeah. Certain locations might still have them. It depends on the sales they make. Like if it starts selling really good, they will continue.
They will continue. Okay. Maybe I should have, and I just came from Red Bank, and I should have went to that location, but I was like, I'm gonna go to the one closer to home. But never mind. I still want to try. The butter pecan cheesecake.
Awesome, let's do it.
Okay.
Alrighty. Anything else?
That'll be it for today. I was just wanting to try those two.
I would say Red Bank, maybe Signal Mountain as well.
Okay.
Maybe even over there in Hudson, maybe.
Okay.
That was the newest store, so they might have newer items over there. So
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And this is all to go?
Yes, it's to go.
Alright, what's the name for the order?
Melissa.
Melissa, you got it. Alright, it'll be $5.45 for your total.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, just tap on that bottom left X.
Okay. All right, thank you. You too. Y'all, so they do not have the red beans and rice that I wanted to try, but I'll be near the Red Bank area tomorrow, and I'll stop in that one and see if they still have it available. Okay, y'all, so we'll have to try the red beans and rice on tomorrow. Yeah, the Hamilton Place location does not have it. They don't sell it anymore. So, but I still was able to get the butter pecan cheesecake. So, stay tuned. Today is Thursday, April, what's today? April the 16th, 2025. Yeah, so y'all remember yesterday I was going to McAlister Deli to get the red beans and rice with the Butter Pecan Cheesecake. So I went to the location over by my home that was closest to my house, and they were out of the red beans and rice, so I ended up getting the cheesecake. Well, today I'm over on the other side of town, and I decided to stop at the McAlister's here to see if they had the red beans and rice, because I gotta try the red beans and rice for the culture. I gotta try it for you. Yeah, so let's go. Also, y'all, this weather is bipolar. This is bipolar weather. I woke up this morning and it was a little nippy outside, so I was like, okay, let me put on a little, like, you know, the lightest jacket that I have. What about, it's 73 degrees, I got the air on, it's hot in the car, but it's cool outside. It's weird. And we can, only in Chattanooga, Tennessee will you get all 4 seasons in one day. Yeah, so I have to go to work later. Ugh. Yippee. But I'm thankful and I'm grateful, because at a time like this, you know, some people are losing their jobs left and right. Inflation is kicking our tails. These tariff taxes and people running rapid about them is kicking our tails. So I'm definitely grateful, Lord. But sometimes I just be like, sometimes, you know, you just be wanting to do what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? And I do have days where I can do what I want to do, but it seems like I feel more of wanting to do what I want to do on the days that I have to go to work. If that makes sense. Ain't that crazy? Okay, hey y'all, so I went to this other location that I thought maybe would have it, and they don't have it either. So much for trying the red beans and rice. That's crazy, because when I went on the app, it was advertised, and then I also got an email about it. So I don't know, maybe they got the wrong zip code or something, I don't know, but oh well. But I still do have the Butter Pecan Cheesecake. We're gonna try that. And I guess for now, I'm just gonna grab me a bite to eat and get some rest before my shift. Peace. Okay, so this is what the Butter Pecan Cheesecake looks like from McAlister's Deli. Let's try it. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Here it is. Oh, y'all, that's good.